How to use Smart Projector without remote. In this video, I'll show you how to use Smart Projector without remote. So to get started, go ahead and use the projector's physical buttons. So most smart projectors have built-in buttons for power on or off, input source selection, volume control, and menu navigation. So look for these on the top or side of the projector. You can often switch inputs and adjust settings directly this way. Second thing you can do is to use a USB mouse or keyboard. So connect a USB mouse or keyboard. Many smart projectors support USB peripherals. Plug a USB mouse into the projector's USB port. Use the mouse to navigate the on-screen interface. Some models also support USB or Bluetooth keyboards for easier control. So this method is especially useful for Android-based projectors. Now the third thing you can do is to go ahead and use a smartphone app. So if your projector supports Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, download the manufacturer's app and then connect your phone and projector to the same Wi-Fi network. Use the app as a virtual remote to control settings and input. Now take note that universal IR remote apps usually don't work unless your phone has an IR blaster and your projector supports IR control. And the last option that you have is to use HDMI CEC. So if your projector is connected to a device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Android TV box, enable HDMI CEC on the streaming device and use the streaming device remote to control projector's function like power and volume. And that is how you can basically use Smart Projector without remote.